Hi friend, I'm Lucy. I'm from Tongya, a semi-trailer manufacturer in China since 1982. Today I'm glad to show the 38 CBM bulk cement tank semi-trailer. Follow me for more details. It equipped with 12 cubic meter 渤海 compress and 潍坊天河 4105. Both are Chinese best brand, equipped with safety and ability. The tank body is high strength, plate with V-shape structure, and it equipped with 3-axle Zhengyang brand and double steel 315 13.22.5 tires and mechanical suspension. They are safety and ability. Welcome to visit our factory.